Welcome to Quick Revision, where we post a past exam question every day to support you getting ready for your GCSE exams. How does it work? Well, it's really, really simple. You just pause on the question, give it a go, play for the solution, and if things haven't gone as well as you'd have liked and you need a full walkthrough, then you just carry on watching the video. If you like what we're trying to do here, please hit the like and subscribe button. Hi. Today's question comes from a calculator paper. It's grade 3, worth 4 marks. So read through carefully, take in all the information, hit pause, have a go, and press play when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, so we're being asked to find out which one of these offers provides the best value for money. And the only way that we can do this is if we compare like for like. And right now, we don't have that. So that's our first step. Now, for some students, this type of question is straightforward enough and they can just crack straight in with the maths. And for others, there's a lot of words, there's a lot of information, and it can be quite overwhelming. So if you fall into that, the kind of overwhelming, then one of the things that you can do is draw a picture. Get a picture of the story, and I'm going to demonstrate that so that you can see what I'm talking about, because it might just make the whole problem accessible, and then you're getting marks that maybe you weren't getting before. So I'm going to draw out 3 bottles. I'm going to be paying for 2 of the bottles and I get 1 free. So I shall label that up and show it clearly. There's 2 at 75 pence and 1 that's free. The total pints that the 3 bottles will give me is 6, and the total cost is £1.50. That is perfectly acceptable and will get you full marks in the exam. I'm going to do the same. Here I'm going to pay for 1 bottle at £1.28, and I'm going to get the other one half price. So I work that out. Remember, it's a calculator, so just divide through by 2 and you get 0.64. And that's how much 8 pints would cost us. So I've got an idea of how much the total cost is in each situation, but I still can't compare like for like, because in one offer I'm only getting 6 pints and in the other I'm getting 8. So I've got to now think of a way to be able to compare them. I personally take these types of questions and I work out what 1 costs, but it doesn't have to be done like that. You could work out what 2 costs, or you could find a common multiple like 24, and you could multiply your values up. So there's no right or wrong way in this step. There's lots of ways. I'm going to demonstrate working out what 1 costs. So if 6 pints cost £1.50, if I divide my £1.50 by 6, that value, which is 0.25, is going to represent what 1 pint is. So I'm going to repeat that with my cost for 8 pints. Now that's £1.28 plus 0.64. I need to use that total. So £1.92. I'm going to divide 1.92 by 8 because I've got 8 pints. That is going to give me 0.24. So 1 pint is 0.24, 24 pence. And I can see that my 4 pints of milk is going to be the better value by 1 whole pence. Okay, I hope that's been useful. I hope the tips have been helpful as well. I love drawing out the story. It just makes life that little bit easier. Okay, thank you for joining us on our quick revision questions, and hopefully I will see you again in the future.